Hey guys, it's Greg. Today I'll be doing a full review of PwC's Data Analysis and Presentation Skills course. Now, I recently came across this because I was looking at Coursera's official pathway to become a data engineer, and they did recommend this course, and I hadn't really seen it before, and it struck my eye because 4.7 stars on almost 10,000 ratings is a lot. It's not absurd or crazy. Usually it's pretty high on Coursera, but this is very strong, and so I should make a full review on this and look at the individual pieces. So if we jump straight into courses, well, we're going to see data-driven decision making with 4.6 stars, just below the specialization average, and a lot of ratings and a lot of reviews. Now, essentially what this is you'll be introduced to big data and how it is used, not super crazy on the technical skills, but in general, big data and data analysis. Okay, problem solving with Excel. So they get into the real technical details there, and they use Excel. And the reason for this is quite simple. PwC is one of the big four accounting firms, along with, EY, Deloitte, and KPMG, if I remember that correctly. And accounting firms, unsurprisingly, they'd probably use Excel a lot, and data analysis in Excel, and so they're going to teach that back. Excel is not my favorite tool to advertise amongst my subscribers, although of course it has its place. It is phenomenal, and it's a lot more in depth than most people realize. So I'm not going to disagree with the decision, although I'm just going to say it is kind of expected for who they are. Data visualization with advanced Excel, so going more and more into Excel, is not, again, pretty expected. And this is a massive tool, like not just the actual Excel, the tool itself, but everyone knows how big Microsoft Office is, largely due to Excel, and as we'll see below there, PowerPoint. But largely Excel's just like extremely universal adoption across any company, and especially some like PwC and the more like traditional businessy environments, you'll see Excel all over the place. And so I cannot say like, hey, don't learn Excel. You absolutely should. The majority of you will probably use Excel in your job, even if you learn Python and the more maybe state-of-the-art skills. 4.8 stars. People clearly love this course, and so cannot complain at all. Effective business presentations with PowerPoint. You might roll your eyes, and understandably so. PowerPoint, it's kind of that one where you see like, hey, make like on a if they're asking for your skill set, like do you know Microsoft Office, and you kind of chuckle and say, yes, I do. Doesn't everybody know how to open their email on Outlook? But man, the vast majority of people make horrible PowerPoints, and it's just painful. And PowerPoint is an excellent tool, and you really can do an excellent job with PowerPoint, and you can really do a terrible job with PowerPoint as well, and it can be really frustrating. So any employer would greatly appreciate you taking a course on how to actually build proper PowerPoints, using its tools to tell the story of data, as they say, and including insights and supporting data, the more technical side of it as well. Just really universal and very important, unrespected or undervalued skill. And then we have course 5, which is the last one, Data Analysis and Presentation Skills, the PwC Approach Final Project. So basically, you'll be given a mock client problem in a data set. You'll need to analyze the data to gain business insights, research the client's domain area, and create recommendations. So you can see here, this is mainly a Microsoft Office course. You have Excel as your main tool, and then kind of merging that with PowerPoint to make presentations, along with the communication side to actually make a good presentation. I do not think that this is an all-encompassing course. I think if you do take this, you'll be missing out on a lot of the more state-of-the-art tools like Python, Pandas, maybe R if you like R. For traditional data analysis and business analytics, R is a common choice as well, although I personally prefer Python. So I would definitely recommend, if you can, taking a look at some of the other courses that I'll have in the video description as well, because I don't want you to miss out on these state-of-the-art tools. Nonetheless, for the vast majority of you that kind of don't want to go through this massive pathway of 10 courses to become a machine learning engineer or whatever it may be, this is a great course just to take out of the blue. You're looking to improve your skills. You've heard of these tools, but maybe you want just an in-depth look at some of them. I think it's going to be a phenomenal course for that. Personally, I haven't taken it. I don't really plan on taking it. I know Excel and PowerPoint to the level that I'm personally happy with at this moment. But for many of you, I would really suggest this course. And for those of you that have maybe taken it, drop a comment down below, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it in particular. That's probably also in their reviews as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know if I've convinced you to maybe take this course. Of course, I'll have it in this course itself in the video description along with everything else. And have a great day, guys. I'll see you later.